Good morning, students. Today we can study exercise 3.1, question number 2. Find the degree measures corresponding to the following radian measures. Use pi equal to 22 by 7. Roman number 1, 11 by 16. In here one radian measure given, that is 11 by 16. We have to find out corresponding degree measure. Then already we have studied one formula how can change radian measure to a degree measure. That is 1 radian. 1 radian means 180 divided by pi degree. This formula we will use. Common formula is this: pi radian means pi radian equal to 180 degrees. This is common formula. Then this pi bring to right side. That will be 180 divided by pi. What is remaining? Remaining 1 only. This pi. All the things if we brought to right side, then remaining 1, isn't it? 1 radian we can write 180 divided by pi. Then 1 degree. 1 degree means 60 minutes. Then 1 minute means 60 seconds. These three things we will use in here in this problem. We can see one by one. Roman number 1. Solution. We know that first we can write this common formula. 1 radian equal to 180 divided by pi. Then in here 11 by 16 radian given, isn't it? Both sides just multiple with 11 by 16. How can I write? 11 by 16 into 1 radian equal to right side also 11 by 16 into 180 divided by this pi we can change. Pi means 22 by 7. 11 into 1, 11, isn't it? 11 by 16 radian equal to, cut it, this 2 in 22. How many times 11? 2 times, isn't it? And then 16 and 180. Which number we can use? 2 we can use, isn't it? 8. Then 9, 0. Again this 2 and 90, 45. Remaining we can write in here 45 divided by 8 into this 8 into remaining here 1 by 7. 1 by 7. 11 by 16 radian equal to 45 divided by 8 into this 1 by 7. Take reciprocal. We can write 7 divided by 1. (11 by 16 radian equal to) multiple 45 and 7. We can multiple that. 45 into 7. 7 into 5, 35. Remainder 3. 7 into 4, 28 plus 3, 31. You will get 315 by 8 into 1, 8 degree. In here denominator 8. We cannot keep. We can divide 315 divided by 8 divided by 8 in 31 3 times 3 into 8 24. Then 31 minus 24, that means 11 minus 4 7. This 5 right downside. In 75, how many times 8? 9 times, isn't it? 9 into 8, 72. Then 3 add 1 0, 1 point. No need to add 0. Okay. This much. You can write this 39, then 3 by 8. Remainder divided by divisor. A degree. 39 degree. This 3 by 8 degree is there. That one, this degree we can change it to minute, isn't it? That means 3 by 8 into multiple with which number? Degree change it to minute means multiple with 60. That time this will be in minute. 3 by 8 degree we are going to change to minute. That's why multiple with 60. We can cancel this 2. 4, 30. Using by 2. Again get it. 2, 15. 39 degree. 3 into 15. What do you get? 45. Divide by 2. Minute. Then 45 divided by 2. Do it. 45 divided by 2. Then 2 times 4, nothing, write 5, and 2 into 2, 4. 1. Now we can write 22, that is 39 degree already is there, then 45 by 2 means 22 minute, then 1 by 2. 1 by 2, this one also in minute only. 39 degree, 22 minute. This 1 by 2 minute we can change it to second. What will do? We'll multiple with 60, isn't it? We can write 1 by 2 into 60. That time this minute will change it to second. 39 degree, 22 minute. Just to get it. 30 will get, isn't it? 30 second. That means 11 by 16 radian. If you convert to degree, you will get 39 degree, 22 minute and 30 second. Okay, you can write in this. This is our answer. Only one thing, study how can change. 1 radian means 180 divided by pi. That is common formula. Then 1 degree means 60 minute. 1 minute means 60 seconds. These 3 formulas study by heart. Then everything you can do very easily. Roman number 2 is minus 4. Minus 4 radian we have to change to a degree. Okay, start solution. We know this first formula. 1 radian means 180 divided by pi a degree. Then given in here minus 4 radian, isn't it? Then multiple both sides using by minus 4. Minus 4 into 1 radian equal to minus 4 into 180 divided by pi value already given in question. What is pi value? 22 by 7. 22 by 7 degree. Then minus 4 into 1 minus 4 or radian equal to, just to cancel using by 2. 2 times in here 11. You can write minus 2 into 180 into denominator 11 by 7 is the take reciprocal, that is 7 by 11 equal to minus multiple 2 into 180 360, isn't it? 2 into 180 if you are multiple means 360 you will get into 7. 7 into 0 0 7 6 32, 4. Then 7, 3, 21 plus 4, 25. 2520 divided by this 11. Then you can divide 2520 divided by 11 in 25. How many times? 2 times 22. Then 3 2 in 32 also 2 times 22. Then in here 0 1 10. Write the 0 downside in 100. 9 times 99. Then remaining 1. You can write minus 25. Sorry. Minus answer is 229. Then remaining 1 by 11. 1 by 11 degree of minus 229 degree. 1 by 11. This 1 by 11 degree we can change it to minute. That's why multiple with 60. This will be the time in minute. Minus 229 degree. 1 into 60 by 11 we can do. 60 by 11. 60 by 11. In 60, how many times 11? 5 times. 5 into 11, 55. Then 5. We can write 5. This 5. Then 5 by 11 minute. 229 5 minute. This 5 by 11 minute. Again we have to convert to second. That's why multiple by 60. 5 by 11 into 60. That time this value will be in second. 229 5 minute. 5 into 60 300, isn't it? Then 300 divided by 11. I am going to do directly 5 into 60 we got 300, then divide by 11 in 30 2 times 2 into 11 22, then 80 in 80 7 times 77, then 3. We can write now 27 3 by 11 second. Minus 229 5 minute 27 second. This 3 by 11 second, that is very small value. That's why just leave it. Then our answer is minus 229 degree 5 minute 27 second. Keep in mind this 3 by 11 second rejected. Only for understanding only, exam time no need to write, because it is very small angle. It is a very small angle, that's why we can leave that part. Roman number 3 is 5 pi divided by 3. This is radian, we have to convert to degree. Solution. We know 1 radian. Same formula is 180 divided by pi degree. Isn't it? In here radian measure given 5 pi divided by 3. Multiple using by this number both sides. LHS and RHS. 5 pi divided by 3 into 1 radian equal to right side also 5 pi divided by 3 into 180 by pi degree. In here pi and pi cut it. 3 and 180, 6, 0. 60 will get. Then 5 pi divided by 3. This is one no need to write. If you are multiple with 1 means same answer. Radian equal to 5 into 60, 300. 300 degree. Roman number 4, that is 7 pi by 6. Radian, we have to change it to degree. We can do directly. 7 pi by 6 radian equal to, right side also just multiple with 7 pi by 6. Then into which number? Common, that is 180 by pi. Got it? 3, 30, isn't it? 7 into 30, 210, 210 degree. That is our answer. Next question is question number 3. A wheel makes 360 revolution in 1 minute. Through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? In 1 minute, that wheel will rotate 360 times. And then, first we can see one wheel. Wheel means circle, isn't it? And then, the angle of circle, how much? Total angle is 360 degree, isn't it? Then, this 360 degree, we have to change it to radian measure. Because we need answer how many radians. In radians only, we need answer. Pi radian means 180 degree. Already you know, isn't it? Pi radian is 180 degree. Then just multiple both sides 2. 2 pi radian equal to 2 into 180. 2 pi radian equal to 2 into 180. 360. That means 360 means 2 pi radian. Then what is the total angle of a circle in radian? What will you get? 2 pi, isn't it? Now we can see given number of revolutions in 1 minute equal to how many revolution? 360. 360 revolution. In 1 minute, 360 times that will rotate. And then, therefore, number of revolution in 1 second. In 1 second, how many times that will rotate? Total in 1 minute, 360. 1 minute means how many seconds? 60 seconds, isn't it? Divide by 60. 0, 0. 6 revolution. That means in 1 second, it will rotate 6 times. Then, how many radians? Radians does it turn in 1 second equal to total rotation is 6 per second into 1 circle means 2 pi radian, isn't it? 6 into 2 pi if you are doing means total revolution in radian you will get. That is 12 pi radian. 12 pi radian. Question number 5. In a circle of diameter 40 centimeter, the length of chord is 20 centimeter. Find the length of minor arc of the chord. Okay, first we can draw one circle. Circle, center is O. To radius is chord. AB is chord. And here length of chord given 20 centimeter. Then diameter is 40 centimeter, isn't it? You can write a given diameter means 2r equal to 40 centimeter. 2r means 2 radius. Look, this is like one circle. This is center. In here radius. So opposite also you can make radius. What is this total? That will be diameter r plus r. 2r. Diameter means 2r. In lower class also we have studied. Then from here we can find out a radius. Radius means r. Then this to bring to right side, 40 by 2 equal to 20. Now radius we got 20. 20 in here also 20. Chord also given, chord AB equal to 20 centimeter. Triangle. In here one triangle you can see OAB. In triangle OAB, OA equal to OB equal to AB. Look, OA is 20, OB also 20, then AB also 20. All the sides are equal to 20 centimeter. Therefore, it is a which type triangle? Okay, it is an equilateral triangle. Then, so angle, this angle, that is angle AOB. AOB equal to, I am just taking that is theta. Theta equal to how much? 60 degree. Why 60 degree? In equilateral triangle, all angles are equal. All angles are equal means in here 60, in here also 60, in here also 60. 60 plus 60, 120, 120 plus 180. Sum of the angles in a triangle 180. That means only we can take 60 degree. Then only that all angles will be equal. Then we got one angle is 60 degree. 60 degree we have to change it to a radian measure. Why we are changing to radian measure means we know only one formula, that is theta equal to L by R. This formula we know, isn't it? L means arc length. We have to find out in this question. R means radius. Theta means what? Theta is angle in radian measure, isn't it? We got in here 60 degree is degree measure. We cannot use this 60 degree. We have to change it to radian measure. That time what will do? 60 degree. You know that 60 into degree measure, how can change it to radian? Multiple with pi by 180. Got it? What will get? 3. Pi by 3 radian. 60 degree means pi divided by 3 radian. We have theta equal to, that formula we can write L by R. Then theta we got pi by 3 equal to L, we don't know, L divided by R is 20. 20 bring to left side, that time 20 pi by 3 equal to L. What is L? L means therefore length of arc, isn't it? Length of arc equal to L equal to 20 pi divided by 3. What is the unit? Centimeter. This is our Answer. Let's see question number 6. If in two circles are of same length, subtended angle 60 degree and 75 degree at the center, find the ratio of their radii. So get two circles. One center is O1. Next small circle, center is O2. Two circle. We can make two arc L, L. Length of arc both equal, isn't it? Let's take radius of first circle R1, radius of second circle is R2. Angle given is 60, is 75 degree. And here arc length are equal L. Then R1, R2, radius different, we don't know. Then angle, subtended angle 60 and 75. What is our question? Find the ratio of their radii. We have to find out R1 divided by R2. This is our question. Ratio we have to find out. Then we can see one by one. Let R1 and R2 be the radii of circles. Then L be the length of arc. Length of arc of both circles. Length of arc equal, isn't it? That's why we can take only L. That's enough. Then what given in here? Subtended angle. Given subtended angles are first theta 1 equal to 60 degree and theta 2 equal to 75 degree. Two angles given 60 degree and 75 degree, isn't it? We have, look, radius, arc length and angle. Which relation? One relation is there, that is theta equal to L by R. Theta equal to L by R, isn't it? Then in here theta is degree measurement. This formula is for radian. Keep in mind only this angle only given, then other values they are not given. This theta no need to change it to radian because other values they are not given. In here we are written radian or degree, anything, that is not a matter. We can take theta 1 equal to L by R, in here R1. And the case of second circle, subtended angle is theta 2 equal to arc length is L common R2, radius of second circle. Theta 1 is 60. Okay, 60 L by R1 and theta 2 is 75 L by R2. This R1 bring to left side, 60 into R1 equal to L, and second part, this R2 bring to left side, 75 into R2 equal to L. 60 R1 equal to L, equation number 1, and 75 R2 equal to L, this is equation number 2. Now we got two equations. You can compare that. Comparing equation number 1 and equation number 2. Just compare the two. In right side L, in here also right side L, isn't it? That means in both equations right side are equal. That means left side also equal, isn't it? 60 R1 equal to 75 R2. Just equate left side and left side. Our question, we have to find out a ratio of their radii. That means R1, this R2 bring to left side, divide by R2. R1 already is there, isn't it? This R2 bring to left side, that will be divided by R2. Then what is remaining? In here 75. The 60 bring to right side. Interchange. R2 bring to left side, 60 bring to right side. And then cut it. 5 we can use, isn't it? 5 means 1, 5, 15. In here 1, 2, 12. Again which number? 3 we can use. 3. 4 times. In here 5 times. Then R1 divided by R2 equal to 5 by 4. Therefore, ratio of radii will be 5:4. Our answer is 5:4. Then I told don't use in here radian measure, no need to use, we can use degree measure. What is the reason means, look, 75 divided by 60. Okay, in here this 75 degree we can change it to radian measure. What you will get? You will get look 75 into 180 divided by pi, multiple with 180 divided by pi. Then denominator also we have to change. The 60 degree we can change it to radian measure, means 60 into 180 divided by pi, isn't it? This 180 divided by 1 pi and 180 divided by pi, automatically that will cancel. Then no need to change. Now we can do question number 7. Find the angle in radian through which a pendulum swings if its length is 75 centimeter. That means length of that pendulum is 75 centimeter. It tip describe an angle of length. Roman number 1 is 10 centimeter, 15 centimeter and 21 centimeter. Then first we can do Roman number 1. You can see in here one pendulum, isn't it? Then the length of that pendulum is 75 centimeter. That means from here to this much. Length is 25 centimeter. Then see the slide. Then the first arc length is 10 centimeter. This arc length is 10 centimeter. In first case, we can write here a length of pendulum. Length of pendulum means this center up to here, Radius of arc, isn't it? R equal to 75 centimeter, already given in here. Then Roman number 1, this arc length. L equal to 10 centimeter. Then let theta be the subtend angle. We don't know theta how much, we have to find out theta. We have one formula, you know, theta equal to L by R, isn't it? Then theta, we don't know, theta equal to L is 10 by R equal to 75. What will you get? Cut it? Using by 5, 2, 15. 2 by 15 radian. This is first answer. Then Roman number 2. Roman number 2 also 15, isn't it? That means L we can write 15 in here. Little more. 15 centimeter. What will do? This part we can change. Roman number 2. L means 15 by this radius equal 75 only. Length of pendulum equal only 75. Got it? Using by 5, 3, 15. Then again you can cancel this 2. Using by 3. 1, 5. 1 by 5. Answer is 1 by 5 radian. Then 21. Given here 21. L means 21. I think you can do, isn't it? Then 21 divided by 75. Correct? Which number we can use? 3 we can use. 7, 2, 5. 7 by 25 radian.